Panorama. Panorama includes free, sphere, 180 degrees, vertical, and wide angle. The free panorama allows you to customize and capture multiple photos based on the subject, which can later be composited, offering a higher degree of freedom for post-production. Fly the aircraft to an appropriate shooting spot. Tap the shooting modes icon from the camera view and select Pano. The aircraft will automatically take several photos and synthesize a panoramic photo based on the selected panoramic photo type. Tap the playback to view the panorama photo after shooting. During shooting, tap the red icon on the right side of the camera view or press the flight pause button on the remote controller once to exit Panorama. Note that accidentally moving a control stick will also stop the shooting.